All right, here is my 2020 Indian Springfield Dark Horse. Love this thing. But what makes it even better is that I have the motorcycle drop guards installed on the highway bars. So you can see here I have front and rear highway bars. The front happen to be the mustache style. And then I have the motorcycle drop guard, as you can tell, installed right there. So I know these things were originally designed with Harleys in mind, but they fit perfectly well onto the Indian, as you can see. It's just a matter of placing it in an angle and in the spot where your motorcycle would come in contact with the ground or your highway bar. So that's the front. On the rear, there you go. So they just clamp onto the bar very easily, as you can see. There it is, that's better angle. And it's basically right at that bottom edge curve. And these have been put to use. I can tell you from firsthand experience that these work. And there it is. I've dropped this bike on both sides. That's a little battle scar, so to speak. But no worries, because I can just take that bad boy off and hit it with some shiny black Krylon, and we'll be good to go. Obviously, I have this. I'm not sure what's happening with my camera here. Sorry about that. Have them on both sides, but it's super shaded on this side here. So that's it. Motorcycle drop guards on the Indian. And these are the factory highway bars installed on this thing. All right, that is all.